The most effective way to drain the tank is using a manual siphon pump. Connect the intake hose securely.
What did I do with the barb? Oh, there it is. In theory, this should work. Yep, it's coming. Okay, we're recording. This is so stupid. This is so stupid. Well, that's what happens when you don't have another camera person in our. Anyway, hello everybody. I've gone through the spark plugs. Placed the water separator filter down there. I don't know, I can get a flashlight on it. Sorry, I got this camera on my head here, so hopefully this angle, but I replaced the water separator and I took it out for the second time. We're still chugging along, so I'm pretty sure that there's just bad fuel in this tank. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this little guy here with a little pump on it. And I'll probably see if I can pressurize the tank a little bit, get the suction going. So let's just dive right into it. Oh, and I got some new spark plugs here. Well, they're old spark plugs, but I had switched to some sort of iridium spark plug at one point and I took these out. So I know these are good, but we'll put those in a little later. I'm just gonna leave them right here. And here's the hose that I'm gonna be using. I think I'll need this little 90 or something on it. I think we should expect a little spillage out of that one. Let's see if I have a bucket here. I think I'm just gonna see if I can smaller one here. I just want this to be sealed because it's a closed compartment here. The batteries are turned off, so shouldn't have any spark action here. Need to catch myself on fire here. So that's one. So we got it there. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna actually, this might work better. Yeah, this is actually what I used to inflate the boat with. I was too cheap to buy the actual attachment, so I just put a bunch of tape around it. Let's see. You got plenty of air. Oh, just this hose reach all the way over here. Let's see if we can elevate it a little bit. I could put up a table, or I could maybe I could just use this hose here to extend it. Will that work? Let's see if that works. That's spilling everywhere. I'm not quite sure what sound that is. Is that Bluetooth interference as usual? Because it's Bluetooth 0.1 and they're very sensitive. Let's see if we can give it a boost of air. Pushing up the fumes here. I think the air vent is messing with me here. That's this guy here. I hate to have to suck on this. In theory, this should work. It's supposed to be a really nice weekend, and I really want to get it back in the water and get this fuel issue solved here. I don't think this is working at all. What if we try this? Come on, baby. Be nice to me. My camera is sliding down here. So, right here. She's cut. Get this guy out of here. Put that there. What did I do with that little barb I had earlier? There it is. There's the screwdriver. There's the pliers. There's that. Oh, it's definitely sucking up. I hate that. One of my least favorite things to do. What did I do with the barb? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'll get used to it. Come on, baby. Pound it in. What's that thing? Any tools, a hammer? There they go. Trying to flare out the hose to fit the hose clamp. Let's see. It'll cinch up. Oh, Tucker. There you go. What did I do with the other one? I'm so organized I forget that I'm doing stuff. Let's get rid of this bucket here. I'm gonna put this knife back over here. Let's see. Come on, ironer. Did I lose it already? I'll just find another one. There's another one. Use that one. Yeah, I really don't want to have to suck on this. I hate that taste in my mouth. I always end up getting a bunch of fuel in my mouth. It's nasty. Not good. Probably causes all sorts of issues with you. Cancer. So, according to the internet experts, this is supposed to work.
The most effective way to drain the tank is using a manual siphon pump.
It's coming. Oh yeah, it's going. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a rag. Get one of these fancy paint buckets for the other fuel can. You see it? Yep. Give it a little more boost of air here. What a genius idea. I mean, it's just physics, but who would have thought? Who would have thought? Still going? Okay. So we'll get the tank drained, and once I have that drained, I'm gonna add some just fresh fuel in it, shake it up a little bit, see if I can kind of clean the bottom a little bit. Then I'm gonna suck that out too. And then we're gonna fill it with fresh fuel. Gonna pull the air box off the motor, which is, well, you probably have to wait on that. You still going? Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's got quite a bit in here already. I'm gonna switch the power on real quickly here, because it's got a little fuel gauge in it that's actually surprisingly accurate for as old as it is. Down to about three quarter of the tank. I think this is working. Took a while to figure out. I'm sure you can do this on, I mean, any gas tank, I guess. So no leaks here. That's all good. Yeah, we'll just let that drain for a bit and see what it does. Let's see how we do that. I'm like, we'll be back in a moment. Oh, we're back at it. Oh yeah, that's going pretty good. Keep flowing, baby. I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. I feel like I just discovered the wheel. Switch it over here. Pretty fast, actually. I'm kind of surprised how fast this is. Still going? Are we still going? Where'd my little flashlight go? There it is. I'll give it a little more boost again. I'm gonna turn off this compressor here. Oh, we're going. We're still going. I'll give it a little more boost again. Push this crap out. Oh, I see what it is. A little more boosting. Got a little more gravity on this one here. That's better. I don't know. I'm very simple. I just think I discovered the most amazing trick ever. So now you know. No more fuel in the mouth. Well, check the fuel gauge. See where we at. Okay, yeah, it's definitely going down. We're a little bit past half. You see it right there. So, what's our battery status? No,
could you be so kind to subscribe, comment, and like? Share the video.
This thing doesn't really need batteries to operate because you can actually hand crank this motor and put a piece of rope up here on the flywheel and you can pull start it, which is kind of nice about it. Depth sounder thinks we're in water, so it's giving you, oh, it's a low battery warning. So, Janet. Yeah, I'm gonna go back down to the boat launch. I feel successful. So now it's just a matter of hopefully this big long procedure worked out. Anyway, till the next one.